Let's go. Bucket. Gosh. Well, good morning. There's a bit of sun today. And as you can see, I managed to separate the slips out from the seed sweet potato. And here's that video. Let's see if we have roots. Oh, we have roots here. Oh man, we have roots. Oh, look at that, half home. The roots, look at those roots. They were so well developed in the ground, man. Look at that. Okay, now let's see if any of these roots are attached to the shoots. You know what? I'm just gonna go wash this and see if any of the roots are actually attached to this, because I can't quite tell right now. So far I've got one already, but it has like a root, like one root, which I don't know whether it will be enough or not. Yeah, let's see what else we get. This is just a seed potato. I don't know whether to leave it in the ground or... According to a YouTuber called Deep South Homestead, you should take the lower leaves off. All the lower leaves off. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do... Oh yeah, there's this one here. I don't know if you see it clearly. This one right here, I'm just gonna leave it and see what happens on that end of things. I'm just gonna leave it as it is, and then I'll plant these ones as separate slips and see what happens to them. One root, I wonder if it will survive. Okay. Soil is nice and loose. Okay, so just plant one here. I should probably plant this one sideways. As I say, planting sideways really helps with the end result. So we just bury the whole thing like this and leave the leaf exposed. So that's me planted about 8 slips in this pot, plus that half which I did not touch. Let's see what happens. Not sure what to do with this. I think I'll plant it somewhere in the garden and see what happens. Yeah? That's where I've planted the sweet potato, right there in that mound, in the middle of a bunch of other things.